Welcome to the demonstration video of the NIC Surveyor App 2.0. Here we will show you in details how to create or change password, log into the app, accept or reject a claim allotted to you, start the survey for an accepted claim, taking photos and uploading, re-upload failed photos, view the successful uploads, and finally uploading of ILA. So let's get to it. Launch the app by clicking the Surveyor app icon in your phone. Make sure your mobile data is turned on and GPS location is set to high accuracy mode before launching the app. This is the login screen of the app. If you already have a login ID and password, you can directly log in. If you don't or you want to change the existing password, enter your user ID, which will be your Easy Surveyor code or your SLA code, and click on Create Password. An OTP will be sent to a registered mobile number. Enter that OTP here and a password of your choice here. Repeat that password below and click on Submit. After you see this message, go back to login screen. Then you can log in by entering your username and password and clicking on login button. This is the home screen of the app. On top right end corner of the screen, you can see a timer counting down. Make sure you complete the entire process before the timer runs out. As you can see, you can do two types of surveys using this app. Surveys allotted to you from NIC offices and from Maruti tie-ups. We will start with the Maruti tie-up survey. As you can see, there are four options inside Maruti survey. New surveys, accepted or pending surveys, initial loss assessment, and finally saved inspections. We will explain in detail the functions of all these options. Click on New Surveys to see all the new Maruti surveys allotted to you via SMS or notifications. You can choose either to accept or reject these surveys. If you click on Reject, that survey will be automatically allotted to another surveyor. If you click on Accept, that survey will be moved to your Accepted or Pending Surveys menu. Go back and click on Accepted or Pending Surveys to see your accepted surveys. After you reach the vehicle's location, click on Start Survey to take pictures. As you can see, when you click on Start Survey, phone's front camera will be automatically launched in landscape for the first photo. However, you can toggle between front or back camera by clicking on Camera Toggle button located on the right side bottom. Camera flash button can also be seen next to it. Click on the Capture button to capture an image. You will be shown a preview of the captured image. You can pinch in or out on the image to zoom in or out. As you can see, your location will be automatically stamped on the bottom of the image. If you are not satisfied with the photo, you can click on Retake and repeat the process. Once you are satisfied, click on Next button to take the next photo and repeat the process. Note that you can take up to 20 photos in a single session. After you have taken enough photos, click on No More Photos to stop the inspection and upload all the photos taken by you. The photos will be uploaded to our server on a speed depending upon your internet connectivity. Make sure you have good 4G high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity to upload the images. For your future reference, one copy of the uploaded images will be stored on a folder named NIC Survey in your phone's gallery. However, in case your upload fails because of bad internet connectivity or server error, you will be allowed to retry two more times. You will also have an option to upload later. If you click on Upload Later, the photos will be stored inside your phone in an encrypted format. You can access these saved images by clicking Saved Inspections inside Maruti Survey menu. Click on Upload to upload the images or Delete to delete them from your mobile. Note that you have to upload the images within 7 days of taking it. You will not be able to view these images inside the phone's gallery unless they are successfully uploaded to our server. Note that after successfully uploading the images, the particular claim number will no longer be available in Accepted or Pending Inspections menu. After the photos are successfully uploaded, you can enter the initial loss assessment for the claim. You can do it either by clicking on Quick Update just after uploading the images or by clicking Initial Loss Assessment inside Maruti Survey menu. After you enter the initial loss assessment page, select the claim number for which you want to enter the ILA. You can see the claim details on the top rectangle and you can enter your assessment on the below rectangle menu. After that, click on Submit. If you want to see the ILA data you have already entered for a claim, you can view them in a non-editable manner by selecting that claim number from the drop-down. However, note that once the claim has been settled, it will not be available in the drop-down. That's it for Maruti Surveys. We will get on to Direct NIC Surveys now. Click on Direct NIC Surveys from the home screen to start Direct NIC Survey. You will have three types of surveys: spot survey, first visit, and re-inspection. Saved inspections options serves the same purpose as that of the same in Maruti survey, that is, for saving and re-uploading failed uploads. Click on the type of survey you are about to do, input the details, and click on Proceed. Camera functions are all same as that of the Maruti survey. Here also you can take up to 20 photos and upload. However, in direct NIC surveys, after each successful upload, you will get a token number. Kindly note down that token number and mention it in your report. Here also one copy of successfully uploaded photos will be stored in your phone's gallery for your reference. That's it. We hope this app will help you to better assess the claims and communicate it to us.